In today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to explore the TinkerCad circuit environment. First is right now we are in the TinkerCad circuit dashboard. Here you will see the different or the previous works or circuits that you have done. Then let's say if you want to open or create a new one, just simply click create new circuit. So right now we are in the TinkerCAD circuit simulator. So here you can now create your own circuit and write your own codes. So what you will see on the left side panel is the different electronics component. So to use these electronic components, what you need to do is click the components that you need for your circuit, then drag the component to the building area and drop it. So let's get one more LED, then another component resistor. Then let's say if you cannot find the component that you're looking for, you can also try to search the component by using the search bar. So let's say I want to look for an Arduino. So here we have the Arduino IDE. So what you do is again you click the component and drag and drop it into our building area. So we have here the components now in our building area. So if let's say in some cases there are a certain value that we have to follow, or there are modifications that we need for our circuit. Let's say I want to change the color of our LED from red to green. So what you need to do is click the LED or the component. Then here a small window will appear that will let you change the, let's say right now, color of our LED. So let's say I want to change from red to green. Then the other one, I will change it to yellow. Then for the value of the components, you can also change it. So right now our resistor is in 1k ohms. So let's say we need 220 ohms. So what we need to do is write the value 220 resistance. Then make sure to check the unit. So here we have the 220 ohms. Then aside from that, if you look at our left side top corner, we will see the different toolbars which will allow you to manipulate your circuit. The first one is rotate. So if you want to change the position of your component, you simply click the component that you want to change the position. Let's say I want to change the position of the resistor to a horizontal position. So click the component, then click the rotate button. So here. Then after that, you also have the delete. So the trash bin icon is a delete, which allows you to delete the component that you would think is not necessary for your circuit. So let's say I want to remove the other LED. Click the LED, then click the delete button. Then you can also use your delete button in your keypad or laptop. So you don't have to click this icon. You can just directly use the delete in your keyboard. After that, we also have the undo and redo button. Then another one is the annotation. So if you want to put notes in your circuit, so let's say LED, so you can just write notes here by using annotations. Then these annotations, if you don't want to see this annotation, you can click the hide and view button. So let's say I want to hide the annotation, so it just simply click this one, then it will hide your annotations. Then if you want to view it again, just click it. Then in the right side, you can see at the top we have the code, start simulation, uh, share button, and export. So for first, let's talk about the code. This code is what we call the code editor. So here by default, what you will see is the blocks coding. So here right now as a grade 8 student, we are not using the blocks anymore. So what we're going to use is the text editor. So to change the setting, you have to click the drop down menu, and there are three options that you have to choose. So just simply click text and continue. So here the codes will change from blocks to text. Then if you want to test your codes and your circuit, you can click the start simulation. So right now I haven't built any circuit yet. So let's say I'm going to build the circuit. So using this components. So to build the circuit, let me change the position. Connect the components to the pins. So here, so you will see once you click the terminal, a connector will automatically appear. So let's say I will connect this to the ground. Then here another, I will click the terminal of the resistor. I will connect it to pin 13. Then another terminal 1 to the terminal of the LED. You can also change the color of the connectors. So let's say all the connectors that are connected to pin 13, let's change it to red. Then just simply click the connector that you want to change the color. Then this one, let's change it to black. So here we have already have the circuit. So we also have now the code. So let's start the simulation to see whether our code and circuit is working. So as you can see, it seems that our code is properly working. Then, if you want to share your TinkerCad circuit to others or you want to have a collaboration, just simply click the share button and invite people. So the TinkerCad circuit will automatically generate a link that you can send to other people. Okay. Then another feature of the TinkerCad circuit is it also has the component list. So if you want to create the prototype of your circuit, you can just simply click the list to view all the components that you need for the circuit. Then if you want to go back to your circuit, you just simply click the circuit view. So this is the environment of the TinkerCAD circuit. Thank you.